Do you know that if you don't keep their policies, Amazon can block your account and you will lose access to all your earned royalties? Imagine making this amount and getting blocked because you made one silly mistake. Well, you probably didn't know because not everyone will tell you this downside of the business. That is why you need the right guidance. So here are some things that could get your account blocked. 1. Plagiarism. Do you even know what that is? Well, that is when the system detects that you copied someone else's work without acknowledgement or credit. Another reason could be that your account has poor or misleading content. If people think your book doesn't deliver on the promise, or if your book content doesn't relate with the title or subtitle, they will report you and rate you badly. Another reason is keyword stuffing, using irrelevant phrases in your subtitle and not making sense, just so your keywords can get in, is not allowed. I can't explain everything in this video. If you want to